Competitive exam special, some important bits in chemistry. Which element has atomic number 100? Answer, fermium. Who was the scientist who discovered the atomic theory? Answer, John Dalton. Who was the scientist who discovered the cathode rays? J.J. Thomson. Which gas is filled in fluorescent bulbs? Neon. Which gas is used in film projectors, automobiles and hand lamps? Xenon. Which halogen in solid form? Iodine. What do most of the elements in the periodic table belongs to? Metals. What is the first alkali metal? Lithium. Which is the man-made synthetic metal? Technetium. Is there only one element in the periodic table that does not have neutrons? Answer is hydrogen. The scientist who discovered the atomic nucleus? Rutherford. Which metal is stored in kerosene? Sodium. Which is the least abundant metal in the human body? Manganese. A compound found in human bones and teeth. Calcium phosphate. Which metal is abundant in earth layers? Aluminium. Cattle semen is stored in which? Liquid nitrogen. What elements are present in quartz? Silicon and oxygen. What coating is applied on non-stick pans? Teflon. Which coating is applied on audio cassettes? Ferric oxide. Which metal is present in gunmetal? Copper. Which element is present in the manufacture of gunpowder? Sulfur. Which of the following is the most stable of the sulfur variants? Rhombic sulfur. A gas that smells like a rotten egg. Hydrogen sulfide. Which is the lightest metal? Lithium. Oxygen required for match lighting is obtained from which chemical? Potassium chlorate. What is called liquid gold? Petroleum. Who invented cement? Joseph Aspidin.